can't build together. Just like the old man say, two black people don't have no business doing nothing together. Cause what they gonna do? Argue and squabble. That's what the old told me. He said, you ain't got no business being with another black motherfucker. Cause you and the black motherfucker, all y'all go do all day long is argue and squabble. You go argue over football, basketball. LeBron James better than Michael Jordan, but Kobe better. They go argue over football. Walter Payton better than Ricky Williams. They go argue over, I'm an FBA, I'm an Aboriginal, I'm Pan-African. They'll never be able to work together in America. Two black motherfuckers in America would never be able to work together. And I'm going to wake up and show it every goddamn day. Look how that started talking about, well, we built a fund. Then he all of a sudden he went, fuck you. You. He was supposed to exit the stage. If he was really an educational man and he saw that it was mass confusion, he would have exited the stage. But he not. He got hate in his heart too. You got to be broke waking up want to argue with some you can't see, don't know, and don't even know if they real. I'm not fit to argue with y'all, my. That's why I went to laughing at you, dumb mother. I saw her. Look at all this mass confusion out of start. It's easy because black men, mainly black men and mostly black women, wake up with their emotions every day. And one thing about your emotions, you can't think rational nor logically. How you gonna be logical and you and your motherfucking feelings? Fuck you. Man, please, I'm gonna do this every goddamn day. I don't come online and try to uplift nobody. I just come online to create content. This the best goddamn content I could have found this motherfucking morning. A bunch of broke ass mad at one another, want to fight one another, just like the young. Shoot up his block, shoot up his block. I can't wait till you start shooting up each other mama houses from what you say online. I can't wait till you start killing one another for what y'all say online. I don't come to uplift black people. I wear a chain that says nation, the birth of a new nation called, and ain't no real go sit up and do what you just displayed this morning, my nigga. This got to be some of the wildest shit in the world. A bunch of wake up early in the morning on the new year and doing the same shit y'all did just last year. Arguing online. Arguing over what? Nothing. Arguing over nothing. Go look in your household. Is your bed made? Is your bathroom clean? You arguing over shit you ain't got no control over. The history. You wasn't never no motherfucking slave. You ain't never been whipped on your back with a motherfucking thing. You weak ass. The nigga ain't gonna never get no platform to come over here to try to say